create a patient file, head over to the Patient Browser tab. Within this tab, there is an Add Patient button towards the bottom. Once selected, this will open the Create Patient tab. You will need to fill out this particular screen in order to create your patient file. There are mandatory fields within this screen that are marked with an asterisk. Once you start inputting the information, you will see that these purple boxes will slowly start to fade once the information has been entered in. This is a nice visual cue to alert users that there's information that's either incorrect or missing before they can proceed. Once you have filled out your patient information, there are some additional features within this screen that you may want to look over. Such features are going to be items like the Do Not Mail, Do Not Email, and Do Not Text. These are all options to ensure that you're communicating with your patients in the preferred manner. Also, next to the phone numbers of the patient file, we do have little stars to indicate the patient's preferred main method of contact. If you ever have any questions about these particular options, hover over the blue info icon to see what these particular options will do. Now towards the bottom of this screen, we also have the cash sales only button. This is where you will denote that a patient is a cash sales only patient, and then their name will show up in red in the patient browser. You can also mark your patients as do not send commercial messages. This is going to be for your manual and automatic marketing messages. You can also set a preferred language for the patient by selecting in this drop down here. If the patient has a healthcare provider outside of your particular office, go ahead and select the Edit option under the Healthcare Provider section. You will be able to add a healthcare provider by selecting the Add button and choosing from this list of healthcare providers. If that provider is not within this list, hit your Create New button to add a new healthcare provider to your system. Once all of the information has been entered into your preferences, hit the Create Patient button. Once that is selected, you will need to select a referral source for your patient. You can choose one of your pre-created options, or you can select a particular patient or a healthcare provider by selecting these filters here. If there are potential duplicates within the system will alert you to this. If this is a duplicate, go ahead and select, otherwise hit Create anyways. Now you will also be asked to export the patient to NOAA for those that have the integration with NOAA. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to reach out with any questions you may have.